This will be your new go-to barbecue side.
Let's make my Aleppo Feta Elote.
Peel our corn. Now we're going to make our sauce before we put the corn on the grill because I want it to be nice and hot. So we're gonna start with some garlic, my favorite. 1/4 cup of mayo, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of feta, around 1/2 cup of fresh cilantro, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Blitz it up. Drizzle of avocado oil. You can use any neutral oil. Not the dress! Okay, she's good. We're good. We're off. Woo!
La 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 la.
Smells really good. Getting golden and charred and delicious. Sun's out, corn's out. Feeling sunny today. Gorgeous, gorgeous. They're grilled. Now it's time to roll it in that sauce, cover it with more feta, a little lime, a little cilantro. Perfection. And we're just gonna give it a nice dusting. Oh, things are about to get real messy up in here. My God. Look at my face. It's worth it.